What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to show you how to check the brake fluid on this 2001 BMW 325Xi. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1AAuto.com. So with the hood popped, the brake fluid reservoir is right here above the master cylinder. Cap is right there. Just take a rag, wipe the cap off. You don't want any dust or anything to get in there. Normally the body of the reservoir is pretty clear and you can see the level, but this one is a little bit old, it's a little foggy, so it's kind of hard to see. So we can take the cap off and check inside the cap, and we can see brake fluid. It's a little bit dirty right there, so you would add some. Generally it says what kind of fluid to use. This says .4 only, so you're going to only want to use .4 brake fluid in this vehicle. Put the cap back on, and you're good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.